Hi, my name is Jacob Hardesty. This is Kevin Burnham. Welcome to the kitchen in the Culinary Cafe. Today we will be making you chicken marsala with a roasted root veg trio and house-made pasta.
So first you're going to want to take the chicken and you're going to want to pound it out so it's thinner, so it cooks a little faster and a little bit more evenly.
So now we're going to make the fresh pasta to start. We're going to use 3 cups all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of water, and a pinch of salt. You want to use your KitchenAid mixer. It's easier with that. Instead of doing it by hand, it takes a little less time. With the dough hook attachment, you're going to mix on medium speed for about 10 minutes until it forms a ball. At that point, take it off, knead for another 2 or 3 minutes, and let rest for 30. Once it's rested, cut it into sections, and using your KitchenAid as well, this front has an attachment for pasta. Run it through your sheeter 2 or 3 times, and then through the fettuccine attachment as well. So once your dough is rested, you're going to cut it and roll it out into sections, square it off to make it easy to fit in your sheeter. So to attach that, you're going to remove this front cover and slide it in, make sure it sits back the whole way, and turn down on your knob here to keep it in place. And then you have settings on the front which you're going to move slowly as you pass through the dough each time. Start it out on 1 and on the very low first setting, and then you're going to run it through 2 or 3 times until you get the desired thickness, and then you're going to remove the sheeter and attach your pasta attachment that has the cutters on it. This one will do fettuccine. So you're going to attach this one, and this only takes 1 pass, so you're just going to run the pasta through 1 time. It'll come out on the other side as fettuccine.
Alright, so now we're going to be cooking everything and getting ready to plate it to be able to serve it. You want to dredge your chicken, saute it, make sure your pans are hot when you start. And then after you have your chicken sauteed and pan seared, you flip it, you add your marsala stuff, your chicken base, marsala wine, a little bit of salt and pepper. Mushrooms are already quartered and in there with the chicken. Then you're going to drop your pasta, have your pasta cooked. And since it's house made, it's only going to take a couple minutes, maybe not even that long, about a minute. And then you're gonna finish it off, plate it.
If you would like to learn more about making a delicious marsala or other specialty dishes, come visit Allegany College of Maryland Culinary Arts Program or check out our website at allegany.edu.